Then this is the part 3 of the terminology. So let us start the class. First one, accommodation. Accommodation, term used by sociologists to describe the adjustment of hostile individual or group. Accommodation, term used by sociologists to describe the adjustment of hostile individual, means a stranger or an unknown individual or a group for a particular time. Second one, culture. The complex whole that includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, law, costume, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Culture, it is a complex whole thing which includes knowledge, beliefs, believing in a God, Almighty God, and art, and it is a moral law. Also, culture is also costume and any other capabilities and habits acquired by a man or a member of the society. That culture defines the person. Next, we'll come to third one, diversity. Diversity of culture refers to the attribute that people use to confirm that one person is different from another. Diversity Diversity of culture refers to the attribute that people use to confirm that one person is different from other. Mean like if a diversity you have learned in class 12th unity and diversity, like animals are different in a different particular geographical area, like that humans also measure in a different dif- from from a one particular area to other. Next we come to fourth one, uniformity of culture is meant by sharing the same type of cultural pattern by the different group of people. Like in our India, everyone celebrate the Diwali, and in Karnataka it is called Deepavali, where same everyone perform and everyone light the lamp. The culture is meant by sharing the same type of cultural pattern by the different group of people. So next we'll come to fifth one, war. Introduce confusion and disorder in a society. Like war happening between two countries, for example Palestine and Israel. Sixth one, where the in that where the war is happening between Palestine and Israel is an example of this, where the innocent people and innocent children were killed by the Israelis. So where the humanity still exists. So that is other than. So now sixth one, crisis is an occurrence which inter interrupt inter interrupts interrupts smooth running habits by focusing attention upon a conflict situation. Like it is also an example of that war only learning habit by focusing an attention upon a conflict situation. They are not focusing upon the conflict situation and they doing what they wanted to do. So next we'll come to seventh one, social pathology we study the ab- we study the we study the abnormal functions of social relations and deviations of normal social relation. We study the abnormal functions of social relations, deviations, normal social relations. It is a type of study where we study different types of relations in a common fact of the society. So next coming to eighth one. Eighth one. Social mobility is a movement of person or persons from one state to another. Social mobility means a person is having mobility in itself, like person from one state to moving another state, person from one status to another. Like he is not having a social mobility means person is moving from one job to another. Next we'll come to ninth one. Race, not that bike race, it is a sociological race. Race is a socially created and poorly defined categor- categor- categorization of people into groups on the basis of on the basis of real or perceived physical character. Or this best example is like South Africans are look little unfair and they are particularly located in the one particular area only in the South Africa. Like that, the race defines socially created poorly and defined categorical of people into a group on the basis of real or a precise physical characters, where the main thing is physical character which here defines. So ninth one, tenth one, ideology. Ideology ideologies a systematic body of concepts. Analogy means having a systematic body of concepts. So this is all today's lecture, and thank you. Thank you, and we'll see in the next lecture. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box, and please join the Telegram channel, and also support, like this video, and please subscribe to the Delight Nursing YouTube channel, and thank you.